Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel, where we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at Core Civic Incorporated (CXW). This stock has attracted our attention by the fact of its very interesting chart combination, and also it's also a very interesting financial situation. So to say shortly first about financial situation, this is stock with capacity of about 1.2 billions, and actually its assets minus debts is also about 1.4 billions. So meaning that this stock is extremely safe to buy for mid-longer term, because even if theoretically, of course, no discussion about it, but even if theoretically the company is destroyed tomorrow, it's available for free in cash is enough just to cover its market capacity. This is usually very solid, and given the current chart combination, it makes it very nice to buy, and actually in a very short term. To understand this, first let's have a look also to the chart combination. So we have here three colored lines. It's a red, blue, and green, being moving averages 250 and 20. Here on the left you can see the depiction of those, and we also have candles. So first we can immediately notice here that about 8th of June there was a trend reversal with a very nice black candle called in this case Evening Star. So it's a classical evening star, which was end of this nice trend we observed starting from mid of May. And then we see the retrace of the downtrend here, and the downtrend had two trends actually. The fast downtrend, which ended 15th of June, and then we decelerated a slower downtrend, which is ongoing now. And also we saw that when the maximum was observed at about 8th of June, we were also in the maximum area for RSI, although didn't reach the overbought situation. Now it's constantly going down and reaching closely very oversold situation, making it very strong bullish pressure being built up. If you look at MACD, again a classical very bullish combination is formed here. Once the trend ended at the end of June, we were at the maximum, then we pierced down slowly, had a very small bubbly wave here, and then a very big wave is being formed. This double small and big wave formation usually also a strong indicator for very big upwards pressure being built up. So these are two classical things, and then also we see here a pattern with so-called delayed magic cross down. So the magic cross down is a situation when moving average 20 hits from the top moving average 50. Usually it's a bearish sign, but in this case we have and this bearish sign causes an immediate drop of the price. But if the drop of the price happens before this and significant drop of the price like we have here, which happened at 15th of June, this is called delay magic cross down, and then it usually worked in more a positive way, because market has already jumped down with the jump here. So it was not just decline, but it was the jump, meaning that traders are not ready to observe another jump, though some small downtrend is possible yet, but now traders are ready for reversal, and this is also very interesting here. So also if you look at the final and the latest charts, we see here this very white nice candle 3 days ago, and then today it ended with the red hammer, but the red hammer with the depth down, meaning like it's lower than any body of previous candles here. And then although it's red, it still is seen as a positive sign, because having red hammer like we saw today like this, and having any other candle being higher, colors doesn't matter. So when we have this distance here, this is usually considered to be, especially at the seemingly end of the downtrend, this is usually considered to be as a very strong signal that we are close to reversal of the trend. So having said that, let's have a look at interesting buy opportunities here. So the first buy level would be, actually it already started, so if you bought some today, it's a good thing. And then the second buy level would be actually somewhere here, and I don't think we will reach there, but even if we go there, the third one will start here, but it's almost not reachable. So we're already in, let's say, buy box number 2, and then second buy box, and probably third, but not reachable, I think. So this is box number 2, 1 to buy, box 2, strong buy, and box 3, not reachable, but if happens, just buy it strongly. So for this one, I think we will still be volatile by the end of this week, because it's already Thursday tomorrow, and then the Friday doubt will come, meaning that usually daily traders are not very bullish in general, and they try to escape the market before the weekend. So most probably we'll have some game here at around 9 plus minus. Might be some piercing to the level 2. But then reversal should be observed. Generally, everything says about this. And if this happens, then we'll have some interesting sell opportunities that will start at the level of about 10.25. So this would be the first interesting selling opportunity. Or in other words, the selling opportunity will be also there when the moving average 20 will come. So whenever we reach this one, also it will work as a very strong resist here. So you can see some retrace, and before that it's advised to sell. So this is very interesting stock, building very strong classical pressure up. Plus, having said that its assets minus debt is equal to its market capacity, makes it also very solid for this situation and possible reversals. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.